To set single press S Pen button for AR Emoji as with cameras in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features, tap S Pen, and then select AR actions. Scroll down the screen, tap AR Emoji, and then tap single press menu. Select switch cameras. Now, single press S Pen button for our emoji set as switch cameras. To use, open our emoji, open camera first, and then tap more, tap our sun, and then select our emoji. You can select our emoji, sticker or camera. And then to switch camera, you can press or single press your S Pen button. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.